There's obviously with everything going on where the economy's taking a big hit, people are out of jobs, and not everybody has a lot of money to be able to move, but some people still either want to move or have to move. We're here for everybody. We have plenty of crews available. The current climate that we're in financially, if when customers give us a call, if they are moving in April or May and they get scheduled with us today, we have some significantly lower rates. We have free packing materials. Even if people are going to pack most of their boxes, things that get missed are things like TVs, maybe some specialty pictures, the mattress bags. Most moves will have $20 to $40 of packing materials that they'll need, that will provide. But right now we're offering the first $75 of any packing materials needed for free, and then we're offering 50% off any packing materials after that, 50% discount on anything else over the first $75. So this kind of helps with some of those specialty items that way they don't have to try to run to the store, be exposed to many people. Obviously, they can just have our guys take care of it for them, one less thing on their plate, and we'll take care of it, and saves quite a bit of money for them. And then with our rates right now, I think we're averaging probably anywhere between $10 to $15 an hour less than many of our competitors. So we really believe and we really love our community. So anytime we have a chance to give back, it's definitely what we want to do.